Hi students, I hope all are well. As all of you know, we have our online exam in the month of September. I think all are preparing well. Today I will discuss with you chapter 4 editing in MS Word. Inserting text, selecting text, deleting text. Lastly, copying and moving text. Inserting text. When you open a new document in MS Word, it appears blank. We can insert text from the beginning of the document at the cursor position. That means when we are start typing. Spacebar key. The spacebar key on the keyboard used to insert a space in the text. As you can see, inserting space using spacebar key, we will find gapping between the line when we press spacebar key from the keyboard. Enter key. The enter key used to start a new paragraph at the cursor position. That means when you press enter from the keyboard, the line start new paragraph. Caps lock key. The caps lock key used to write a text in capital letters. When you press caps lock key, all the alphabet start typing or writing capital letter. Those keys I will show you on the keyboard. These keys are called spacebar key. As all of you know, I will show you again. When you press this spacebar key, we will find space between the line. Enter key. When you press this enter key, the line start with new paragraph. When you press caps lock key, all the alphabet start writing capital word when you pressing alphabets. Selecting text. A text should be selected for deleting, copying or moving actions within a document. When you select a text, the color of the text changes. We can select the text using either a mouse or a keyboard. For example, we have our text. We can select this text using keyboard, or you can select this text by using mouse left button. Just press mouse left button and drag the text. We'll see our text has been selected. Some shortcut keys. Ctrl plus A. When you press Ctrl plus A, we'll see all the documents selected. Shift plus right arrow. We'll find our text right side of the cursor. Shift plus left arrow. We'll find our cursor left side of the text. Shift plus upper arrow. We'll find our cursor up of the document. Shift plus down arrow. We'll find our cursor below of the document. Shift plus home. We'll find our cursor beginning of the line. Shift plus end. We will find our cursor end of the line. These are functions are using without using any mouse. We can use through the keyboard. Deleting text. Deleting key. The delete key and the backspace key both are used to delete the unwanted text in a document. To delete a text, to delete a word, we can press delete key from the keyboard. Just place the cursor of the line which text we does not want. Press delete key. We will see the right side of the text deleted. If I press backspace key, we will find our left side of the text has been deleted. This way we can delete the text from the keyboard. Copying and moving text. Sometimes we want to repeat a part of the text at more than one place, or want to shift a part of the text from one place to another in the same or in another document. This is known as the copying and moving the text respectively. Copying text means repeating the text in the same or in another document. We can copy this text without using of mouse. We can use this in a keyboard. To copy a text, select the text. We have to select lines, which line we want to copy. From the mouse, we will press Ctrl plus C, shortcut key from the keyboard. After that, position the cursor where we want to paste the same text. We will place the cursor at first. After that, press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. We will find the text is copied to the new location. This way we can copy and paste our text. Cut and paste. Moving the text means removing the text from its original position and shifted it to a different position in the same or another document. If we apply these steps, as you all of you know, at first select the text. After that, no need to go for home tabs or other tabs. Just select the line which you want to cut. Press Ctrl plus X from the keyboard. After that, position the cursor to the new location where we want to paste the text. Press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. We will find the text is moved to the new location. This way we can easily copying the text and moving the text. Okay, students. One request to all the students, no need to worry. I will show you same in the computer practical lab when the school reopens. If you have any queries regarding this chapter, write comment in the comment box. Thank you all.